Welcome to my channel. Today's home remedy, Ubtan powder. Take a bowl. Gram flour 2 tablespoons. Fuller's earth 2 tablespoons. Licorice powder 2 tablespoons. Rice flour 2 tablespoons. Orange peel powder 2 teaspoons. Red lentil powder 2 teaspoons. Sandalwood powder 1 teaspoon. Wild turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Oats powder 1 teaspoon. Neem powder 1 teaspoon. Almond powder half teaspoon. Rose powder 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Benefits of the product: natural exfoliation and cleansing, radiant and even skin tone, deep hydration and nourishment, anti-aging and anti-acne effects. Now my Ubtan powder is ready for use.